Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the CWC electric food warmer. So it's basically a lunchbox that you can connect to the wall or to a car, and it'll either warm up the food or just keep it warm. I don't know which one. We're gonna find out. I got this from Marshall's, $16.99. Marshall's is a store here in the United States. It might not be available in your country, but either way, this is what you're gonna get. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so you get some mini instructions here. I don't think you'll need them, but I will read them off camera and tell you if there's anything that you need to know. Okay, so this is what you get right here, the lunch box. Over here at the top, you get this for free. It's a metal spoon and a fork. What is this? I don't know. And then they give you this piece of cloth. I don't know why they would give you that. I don't know what this is for. I don't think I need any of this. I just need this right here, the lunch box. So here's your connection. So this goes to the wall. This is an American outlet, and this goes to your car. This is a 12-volt connection. I would assume these are universal, the car connection. Who knows? So yeah, interestingly enough, the heater element is only at the bottom, so it's not to the sides, but this is where the food is gonna go. So this is washable, obviously, so that's a good thing that you can take it out. You put it there and it fits perfectly. So it fits perfectly, and then you can put your food in there. Like that. Okay, so I did find out what this was for. This package, it's actually a case, a carry case, where you can put the lunchbox inside, and you can even store this on the go. Okay, so we are going to test this. So the first thing I want to do is put some food in here and see if it'll actually cook the food. I doubt it. And the next thing I'm going to do is go buy some food in a nearby restaurant, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator, leave it there until it gets cold, and then we're going to put it in here and see what happens. So let's go. Okay, so let's try to make some soup. Okay, so I'm about to connect it, so keep your eyes on this right here. And let's wait. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. It's still cold. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Yep, it's getting warm. Okay, so it's been over 35 minutes. Let's take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this experiment right here because it's taking way too long. 35 minutes is just too long. So it's safe to say that you cannot cook with it. So now let's do the reheating experiment. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go to a restaurant and buy some food, put it in here, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours, and then take it out and let's see how it reheats. That's what I want to do. So I'm gonna go to Gyro Republic. I call it Gyro Republic. Some people call it Gyro Republic. That's a restaurant near me. So let's go and let's get some food. Okay, so we are back from Gyro Republic, or Gyro Republic, however you want to call it. So let me show you the food. And here we are. So this is our food. Okay, this is it. It's a bit messy, but it'll work, I think. I'm gonna take this to the refrigerator, leave it there for a few hours, and then we'll bring it back out. Okay folks, so we are back, so let's plug it in. And it's powered. So now let's just wait. Okay folks, so it has been about 25 minutes, so let's open it up. So it is nice and steamy, as you can see. A lot of steam. And let's see if it's hot. Definitely hot. So I did check it at 20 minutes. You saw me put the timer at 20 minutes, but at 20 minutes it wasn't enough. So I went all the way to 25 minutes because the instructions do say 25 minutes minimum. Let me show you the instructions. So it's approximately 25 minutes to reheat. And I am absolutely happy with this. This is definitely what I call a hot meal. And remember, this did go from the refrigerator to hot in 25 minutes. So that's very, very good. I'm very, very happy. So this would have been a lot faster if it hadn't been refrigerated. For example, if you're going to the beach, you stop by Gyro Republic and put your food in here and then travel 3-4 hours to the beach depending on where you live. And by the time you get there, you can either plug it in right there and just wait maybe 15 minutes and you'll have your meal hot again. Or before you get there, while you're still in your car, you can plug it into the 12-volt socket in your car. And if you do that 20 minutes before you get there, by the time you get to the beach, it'll be hot. So either way, you can reheat your food in about 20 to 25 minutes, depending if it was refrigerated or not. I do want to make a note that if you're going to use your car, make sure you have the engine running. Do not run this off the battery with the engine turned off, because it will drain your battery. At 25 minutes, it will drain your battery definitely. So you have to have the engine running. So let's go to the final thoughts. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and overall this is a very good product. It takes about 25 minutes to go from refrigerated to hot meal. So just keep that in mind. It would be a lot faster if the food was not refrigerated, like I mentioned before. So it all depends on the initial temperature of the food and the surrounding, according to the instructions, the surrounding temperature. So of course, if you're going to be in northern Russia, in the middle of a snowstorm, and you want to heat up your food, it's going to take a little bit longer under those circumstances, but that's extreme. So overall, I'm going to give it a 5 stars out of 5 because I am happy and it is performing the way I expected it, and even better, has a little bit of extras that I did not expect. Like they give you this right here, which is great. I'm happy with that. And also they give you this, the carry case. It's insulated, so you can carry the lunchbox and the cord, either the 12-volt cord for the car or the 120-volt cord for the wall. So they give you a lot, definitely, for the price. They give you this. I don't really know what this is for. Probably like a heat protector or something, I don't know. And this too, this is like some sort of cleaning cloth. I don't really think it's necessary. They could have left this out because I don't know what this is for. And lastly, it does have this, so you can put your salad separately if you want, or together, doesn't matter. It's all good. So it's gonna be 5 stars out of 5. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.